Today we're going to set up this LED light, and if you guys can see, there's a couple of functions in here for the different types of lighting that you want. So this is going to be on my main entrance. We're going to set it up right now. They give you the screws, they give you a setup. It has a ground, it has a hot, and it has a neutral. So we're going to set that up today and see how well it works. This is the cover. You can always take it off, put it back on if you want. So we're going to set this up on the ceiling and see how it works. I'm going to go ahead and remove these. Alright, we're going to mess with the actual light trigger here. If you guys can see it, I'm going to move it to the right in different tones, alright? Look at that one. I think I'm going to stick to that one. So there's 3 tones, alright? There's this one, and that one. So I'm going to stick to this one, the white one. So check out the light, guys. It's nice and dark in here. And the light is illuminating everything. So change it high to low. We'll test out the darkness and the brightness.